About 10.
Yeah. Mom's over here feeding her. Is he your nephew?
No, he's my. Well, I'm his great aunt. So what would that be?
Second cousin, maybe.
Maybe. I don't know.
I don't know.
Because I'm his mom's aunt. So I'm his.
Yeah.
Great aunt.
Great aunt. Okay. His name is Brayden. We're kind of watching him before the fireworks. As his mom and Saran's mom and all them get to go up and walk the bridge. So hi, little dude. So I'm
Brayden,
eating away.
Look at the phone, Bubba's.
He is. He's like, what? What do you want? I'm eating. I'm eating right now, dude. Quit filming me. Then we got Steven over here acting a fool.
Shut up.
Yeah?
I'm playing.
What are you playing?
Wrestling.
Wrestling? Of course, because there's a cage and there's something like that there, right? It's Royal Rumble? Okay. Down here, going to check out the fireworks on Memorial Day weekend.
I don't even see where Steven Dock's at. The little green boat.
I don't either. I'm just catching Bub as he's walking through on the outside.
And see if it was at that, over there in Jeff somewhere, Doc. But I don't see it. Hi, Brayden. Hi, Bubba's.
Yeah, I'm not going to walk up.
Too high for you, huh?
How many more you got? You got any more for me? Haven't got any more for me? Huh, Bubba?
Look at that little baby.
What are you doing, Bubba?
Wow.
Huh? Talk to me. Talk to me, Brayden. Go, Stick your tongue out. Go,
This silly little guy.
Brayden, you want the rest of your baba? Would you like the rest of your babas? Don't you hit me, sir. Don't you hit me, sir.
So fireworks are supposed to start at 9:05. It's almost 9:15. They still haven't started, but we're still waiting, right, Steven?
I'm having a great time. I'm fun with this. This is nice.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It is nice down here on the river. So, but we'll show some fireworks here in just a little bit.
Okay.
No more bottle for the little boy. He got his diaper changed. He is all set. Ain't you, buddy?
He's going to step.
No, Brayden. Stay covered up.
Hopefully you don't get scared of the fireworks, dude. So we saw one firework go off. That was it. That's all we've seen so far. I don't know if you can see over there. That's where it's going to happen, but one firework. You can't hear Beatles music from the Abbey Road on the river, but it is still a ways away. It's not crystal clear, but you can hear some Beatles music. You probably can't through the video, but we can, exactly. So, hopefully the fireworks will start at any moment. Yeah, they are flashing over there at Cardinal, or not at Cardinal Stadium, but Louisville Slugger Field. We have fireworks finally at about 9:25. And that was it. Here we go. There's some. Yeah, I do know. Oh, smiling little guy. You like the fireworks? Aw. You don't even know what they are. You just hear the booms and see the colors. He's a camera baby, though.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, did you wave in?
Brayden, stick your tongue out. Brayden, stick your tongue out.
Yeah, let's see.
Brayden. Brayden. You're too busy watching the camera. I know what you're doing.
He says, I know what this is.
Camera hog.
I say, yep.
That's you, Brayden.
Say, I'm a picturesque baby. You can smile, dude. It's fine. grand finale and not even a peep out of the little guy.
Don't laugh at me, it's not funny, dude.
She's trying to get you buckled up there, Brayden.
I don't remember how Lillian did it. I know. Guess what? You're not going in it until Mama gets back.
Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead.
Steven, did you take the photo?
We'll take our photo, dude. So we're through with the fireworks. Pretty good time. Brayden was a big man, did not cry one little bit. Other than the fact that we can't figure out how to put him back in his diaper or into his car seat or stroller here. Right?
Yeah. I was never.
we haven't had a small baby in many, many years, considering our youngest is now 13. So, yeah, over there. Yeah. So, other than that, it's a pretty good show. Waiting for the girls to get off the walking bridge with their grandma and cousin. And, right above us. But other than that, it's been a nice Memorial Day weekend. Man, it's just nice outside. It is cool. It's not hot. God, it's beautiful. See downtown. Downtown looks lovely. So, might do a little bit more before we close out this video. Oh.
Mom, he's trying to talk to you.